Chapters 1 through 13. Review and expansion. Review exercise 1-1. Rubber band practice with nonsense syllables. 1. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. 2. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. A. Da, da, da. XYZ. 8, 9, 10. Cows give milk. B. Da, da, da. Unconcerned. He sells fish. We like Bob. C. Da, da, da. Including. He's selfish. I think so. D. Da, da, da. Educate. Softball game. Bring me some. Review exercise 1-2. Noun intonation. Cats eat fish. Boys like toys. Lou lost his mind. Gail earned a fortune. Betty grows tomatoes. Ed found a job. Max cut his finger. Mary flew a kite. Rick passed the test. Our car lost a wheel. Review exercise 1-3. Noun and pronoun intonation. Patrick speaks French. He speaks it. The neighbors sold their car. They sold it. The police chased the felon. They chased him. The housekeeper did some laundry. She did some. The architect and I designed a house. We designed one. Review exercise 1-4. Sentence intonation test. They took it. Mary had a baby. Louis talked on the phone. We forgot about it. She had one. Sam called him. The dogs howled at the moon. Did you order any? We noticed her. The books fell on the floor. Review exercise 1-6. Pitch and meaning change. He looks like Bob. He looks like Bob, but he's not. He knows Bob, but he doesn't trust him. He can't trust him. He can't do it. Review exercise 1-7. Individual practice. 1. Convey the information that it is Bob. He looks like Bob. 2. Convey the opinion that he only resembles Bob. He looks like Bob, but he's not. 3. Convey the different feelings that someone has about Bob. He knows Bob, but he doesn't trust him. 4. Convey the fact that trust is a problem with Bob. He can't trust him. Review exercise 1-8. Meaning of pretty, sorta, kinda, and little. How was it? 1. It was pretty expensive. It was pretty expensive. 2. It was sort of funny. It was sort of funny. 3. It was kind of rude. It was kind of rude. 4. It was a little late. It was a little late. Review exercise 1-9. Inflection. 1. Her boyfriend almost never sends her flowers, but mine does. 2. Her boyfriend almost never sends her flowers, but her sisters always do. 3. Her boyfriend almost never sends her flowers, but every once in a while he does. 4. Her boyfriend almost never sends her flowers, no matter what. 5. Her boyfriend almost never sends her flowers, but he planted a lot in her garden. 6. Her boyfriend almost never sends her flowers, but he never forgets Mother's Day. 7. Her boyfriend almost never sends her flowers, but he showers her with other gifts. Review exercise 110, individual practice. 1. Indicate that her boyfriend prefers live plants to cut ones. Her boyfriend almost never sends her flowers, but he planted a lot in her garden. 2. Indicate that her sisters are attentive to her horticultural needs. Her boyfriend almost never sends her flowers, but her sisters always do. 3. Indicate that her boyfriend gives her non-floral presents. Her boyfriend almost never sends her flowers, but he showers her with other gifts. 4. Indicate that my boyfriend is good in the flower department. Her boyfriend almost never sends her flowers, but mine does. 5. Indicate that it is a true rarity for her boyfriend to send flowers. Her boyfriend almost never sends her flowers, no matter what. 6. Indicate that there is actually a slim chance that he might send flowers. Her boyfriend almost never sends her flowers, but every once in a while he does. 7. Indicate that her boyfriend remembers to send flowers to his mother. Her boyfriend almost never sends her flowers, but he never forgets Mother's Day. Review exercise 111, translation. Pause the CD and translate, "Her boyfriend almost never sends her flowers," into your native language. Review exercise 112. Create your own intonation contrast. Normal intonation. Changed intonation. Review exercise 113. Variable stress. How do you know? How do you know? How do you know? How do you know? Review exercise 114. Make a variable stress sentence. Review exercise 115. Application of stress. Review exercise 17. Staircase intonation practice. On a separate piece of paper, draw a staircase and put each word where it belongs. Review exercise 118. Reading with staircase intonation. Review exercise 119. Spelling and numbers. CEO, ATM, IRS, BMW, JFK, M&M. Catch, CATCH, Nate, NATE. Area code 213. Zip code 90291. Date 9/15/88. Review exercise 120. Sound meaning shifts. Icy, I see. Achy, a key. History, his tree. Interest, intrust. Orange, arrange. Eunuch, unique. Attic, a tick. Comedy, committee. Paradise, paradise. Selfish, selfish. Underwear, underwear. Ambulance, unbalanced. Review exercise 121. Squeezed out syllables. Actually, business, comfortable, different, every, favorite, family, vegetable, finally, general, interest, natural, orange, probably, separate, several.